Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we hide the columns in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here we have a simple project where we have the serial number and the name of the employees, their grades, their gender and the pay scale. So suppose this is the column number C, we want to hide it. So what we would do, we would just select the column. To select it, we can just select any cell of this column, or you can select the cell number, cell name. After selecting, just click on home, and in this cell group click on format and followed by visibility, hide and unhide, and followed by hide columns. After clicking, as you can see guys, that row is hidden, C number row, B is there, D is there, but C is not there. Similarly, you can hide the multiple of columns selecting B, D and E, and after selecting just press Ctrl plus O to hide the columns. As you can see guys, it's hidden. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.